So on the left is the first app. It's using core data to store the contacts, which are then displayed in the table view controller. I'm using an NS fetch request to fetch the contacts, storing them in an array, and then returning each element of the array in each table row. Now if I click onto the contact, I can see contact details and an image to go with it, and if I click edit, I can actually go into it and change different aspects of it, ready for saving. And swiping down removes the keyboard, it's a gesture recognizer. If I click edit image, I can go into the camera roll and I can select a new image for the user, and then if I hit done, it saves the changes there. So if we go back to the initial view now and I press new, I can add a new contact. Let's just type in some. And again, the gesture recognizer is in place to remove the keyboard when it's finished with. There is a default image, but I'll add an image for it as well. If I press done, it adds it into here. Now you can delete these contacts; it will remove them. And there is also and that removes them from core data as well. And there's also a search functionality in this app where if you can actually search for anybody in there, any contact in your phone book, and it will return the results. This is the second app now. It's called Surroundings. This app, what it does is it takes the user's current location using core location, and it shows using MapKit the nearest bars, hotels, restaurants, points of interest. So if I was to go to hotels now, the app returns the nearest hotels to my location, and at the top right hand corner there is a get directions button. It's not enabled when the user hasn't selected a pin, so I will select a pin. It shows the name of the hotel and a preview of the address. If you click get directions now, what it does is it uses the built-in Apple Maps app to create a route for the user to follow, and it's the default route is walking because everything's close to the user, and that's how that works.